Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this problem, we have to explain in detail all about Newton's first law of motion. So this law of motion is also called as the law of inertia, which is basically the tendency of an object to maintain the state. So this law, it explains all about the tendency to maintain the state of an object. So we know that the state could be either rest state or the static state, or it could be dynamic state, that's the motion state. So according to Newton's first law of motion, if an object is at rest, then it will continue to remain at rest, and if an object is in motion, it will continue to be in the state of motion, provided that no external force acts on the object. So let's consider an example. Let's say a ball is lying on the ground, and initially we observe that it's rest. So this ball will not change its state until and unless there is no external force is applied. And at the instant external force is applied, it changes its state, and from static state it comes to the dynamic state or the motion state. So here we observe that this external force is necessary to change the state, and Newton's first law talks about the consistency in maintaining the state. And let's take counter example where the object is moving, and let's say there would have been no friction force. So in that case, this object will continue to move and it will maintain its state of motion. So this explains all about Newton's first law of motion, which states all about the tendency of an object to maintain its state.